Do you score above 195 and you want to apply to LASU? Before we continue, LASU means Lagos State University. Lagos State University. Do you score 195 and above in JAMB and you want to apply to LASU? Let me teach you how to calculate the screening point for LASU. So, LASU does not write Post UTME exam. LASU only use your O-level results and your JAMB score to calculate your Post UTME screening point. So let me teach you how to calculate the Post UTME screening point. So you will need your JAMB score, and O-level result. And if you have below 195, don't bother applying to LASU. The least that can apply to LASU is 195 and above. If you have 194, you cannot apply to LASU. So the O-level result for LASU, A1 is 10 points, B2 is 9 points, B3 is 8 points, C4 is 7 points, C5 6 points, C6 5 points. So assuming your compulsory, the 5 compulsory subjects in your O-level result, you have A1, B2, B3, C4, C5. Assuming this is your 5 compulsory subject results, and in your JAMB score, you have 240. You have 240 in your JAMB score. How do we calculate that? Let's first divide your JAMB score by 8. That's how to calculate the screening point for JAMB score. You divide your JAMB score by 8. So 8 divided by 240 is 30 points. So your JAMB score is 30 points. Now, let's calculate for O-level result. So A1, 10, B2, 9, B3, 8, C4, 7 points, C5, 6 points. So let's add it up together. So 10 plus 9, that's 19, plus 8, that's 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. While 34 plus 6, that's 40 points. 40 points. So the next thing to do is to sum it up. Sum up your O-level result and your JAMB score. So assuming you have 5 B2 in your 5 compulsory subjects, the thing you are going to do is to multiply this 9 by 5 in 5 places. Multiply 9 in 5 places. That will be 45. So just to explain, if you have only B2 in your 5 compulsory subjects, that's how you calculate it. So let's add it up. 40 points plus 30 points will give us 70 points. 70 points. So if you have this score 240 and this result, your screening point in LASU would be 70 points. And these 70 points can apply for some courses, but if you are applying to medicine, law, nursing, pharmacy, you need a score that is very higher so you can use it to compete with others. So I know with this you should be able to calculate your screening point easily in LASU. Screening point easily. So if you're also interested in applying for schools, applying for Post UTME form for schools, so you can just contact this number on WhatsApp to apply for Post UTME form. And if you're also interested in getting more updates, you can also share this number to join the group for updates, for admission updates. So see you in the next one. Keep learning and keep practicing.